thank you very much to our parents, learners, completers, for your success. Embrace your journeys with boldness, optimism, and a relentless spirit. Our heartfelt congratulations to all of you. And of course, to our parents. Congratulations, Batch 2025!